This is the question asked in today's skillrack daily challenge. So we will be given a string which contains multiple words as input. So this is the given sample input string. So here we have multiple words like cat, dog, and then we have lion, mosquito, bee, and so like this we have multiple words in the given input string. So our task is to print each and every word in a separate line. So here the first two words are cat and dog. So in the first line we are printing cat and then we are printing dog. But the next two words, lion and tiger, they are present within the double quotes. So whenever there are one or multiple words present within the double quotes, it should be considered as a single word. So this lion and tiger, even though both are different words, it should be considered as a single word, and we have to print lion and tiger in the same line. So while printing our output, first we have printed cat and then we have printed dog, and then we enter into this double quotes. So inside this double quotes we have lion, tiger. So it should be considered as a single word, and we are printing lion, tiger in the same line. And after this we have mosquito, so it is a separate word which is present outside the double quotes, so we are printing it in a new line. Similarly the bee and ant, so they are all unique words. And after ant again we have double quotes. So inside the double quotes there are three words: snake, cobra, and crocodile. So this should be considered as a single word. So we are printing snake, cobra, and crocodile in a single line. And finally we have the word cow, so we are printing cow. So this is how we get our output. Now let us see how to write a C program for this. So first I am creating a new character array named str of size 1001, and then using a scanf statement I am going to accept the input space separated string. So in order to accept the input space separated string, this is the syntax which we will be giving inside the double quotes of the scanf. So now our input is stored into str, and then for our usage I am creating another integer variable named flag, and I am setting it to 0 initially. So we will be using this flag variable to determine whether we are present inside or outside the double quotes. So what we are going to do is we are going to iterate through this character array str, and in every iteration we will be printing the character one by one. So before printing the character, first we are going to check whether the character is a quote symbol or not. So if it is a quotes, then we are going to toggle the value of flag, because whenever we are present inside the quote we should not print any new line. So all the words should be considered as a single word. So if it is a double quote, then we will toggle the value of flag. So first we are going to iterate through this character array str. So I am creating a loop that iterates from 0 till string length of str. So first I am going to check whether the character str of I is a quote symbol or not. So if it is a quotes, then I am going to toggle the value of flag. So I am setting flag is equal to not flag. So what happens is, if flag is equal to 0, then it might get changed to 1. If flag is equal to 1, then it will be changed to 0. So like this the value will be toggled. And after that we are going to execute the continue statement, because if it is a double quote, then we need not print anything in our output. So we can just ignore all the rest of the line after toggling the value of flag. So now in the next iteration the value of flag will be updated. So there are two possibilities. If the value of flag is equal to 0, then it means that we are present outside the double quotes. If flag is equal to 1, then we are present inside the double quotes. So first I am checking whether flag is equal to 0 or not. So if it is 0, then every word should be printed in a new line. So we are just going to print character by character. So whenever flag is equal to 0, if the character is a space, then we are going to print a new line instead of space. For all the remaining values we will be directly printing the character. So here we have to check whether str of I is a empty space or not. If it is an empty space, then we will print a new line, else we will print the character present at str of I. So this is what we will be doing if flag is equal to 0. And if flag is equal to 1, then we need not print a new line. So we will just be printing all the characters. So using a printf statement, just we will print the character present at the index str of I. So all the words present inside the double quotes will be printed in the same line. So this is the logic to solve today's daily challenge. Thank you for watching.